Hey guys, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Today I finally got my Boxycharm, so we're going to open it together and see what I got. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a subscription. It's $21 a month and you get 5 to 6 beauty products. It could be hair, skin, makeup. And if you hear anything in the background, my daughter's sitting like right over there, so she really wants to see what's in my Boxycharm. She tries to steal all my stuff, so we'll see.
A little bit lower?
Okay, well first I gotta open it. Alright, so let's open it up. And because I don't like to look at it. I like to be surprised. Okay, so this month's theme is road tripping. Maybe stuff that's good for travel. I'm not sure. So,
watch the
it opens all the way up. Okay, so I saw a couple things on here I'm excited about. Huh? A few? Okay, so let's see. Thank goodness I got. Okay, first thing I see here is this product by Note. It says Luminous Silk Compact Powder with argan oil. It is worth $11.99, and let's see what color I got.
It says it on top.
Oh, it says Desert Rose. Ooh. She thinks she knows everything. Oh, that's pretty. You know, I actually have one similar to this color by Estee Lauder. By Estee Lauder that my mom gave my daughter. And I have been using it a couple of times.
She stole it from me.
I did steal it from her. We steal each other's stuff.
No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't steal anything.
Next thing is this
What's that?
item by Dr. Brandt. And it says needles no more baggage. It is a eye depuffing gel. I don't really get puffs under my eyes. What do you think? Do I have puffy under eyes? I don't think so, but I'll still try it. Because it says goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Okay, so that's that.
There's a brush.
Oh, there is. Oh, cute. Okay. So I guess that one came with the brush. Next we have, it's by Wander Beauty. It is a volume and curl mascara. Let's see what the wand looks like. A standard wand. See that? I will try that out.
You're going to try out anything?
I'm going to try out everything, so.
So it's like, I'm going to try this out.
The next thing is it says eyebrow cream.
You know what? This looks like
by Cella Beauty. Oh, okay. So it has, on this side, this is a brush. Oh, and let me show you the packaging. So you saw the brush on that end. And then, okay, I guess this. Okay. Oh, okay, and then in the cap is the cream. So looks like a taupe color. That's my husband and son playing Madden. So it looks like a taupe color. I'm excited to use that. I love getting brow products and things like that. So lastly, we got a palette, which is always my favorite.
Same.
Oh, Olivia's favorite too.
I mean, who doesn't like the palette?
I know, right? I always get excited about the palette. Last month was awesome.
Well,
it was the yellow one. Oh my gosh. And I really have enjoyed using it. So,
oh.
This one is by Crown Brushes. And it's a pretty good sized palette.
Bobby's crying.
Oh, and it has a nice, there we go. It's black and rose gold, really pretty. Ooh, oh wow, those are super pretty. Look at those.
But like it's kind of...
Some kind of what?
It's like kind of powdery on the end. It's like somebody dropped it or something.
Yeah, that's alright though. I mean, cute. You get a lot of mattes in there, some shimmers, Let's see if you can see it.
Very bright.
There we
with the
go.
light right there.
Right there. So that's that. So I'm excited to use that. Okay, so that's probably the most exciting thing that I am looking forward to using. I'm gonna go ahead and do. Actually, let me go through. This is worth $29.99. This is worth $29.99. The blush, like I said, was $11.99. Oh, she took all my stuff. The mascara says $24. The
Crown Pro.
eyebrow cream, $26.
Oh, see how it's an eyebrow cream.
And the No More Baggage is $42. So, okay, so let me go ahead and try all this while I get ready, and then I'll be back to give you my thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back, and basically what I did is I got dressed, we went out to dinner, and coming back after dinner, it's probably about 8:30 at night, and so I've worn this makeup for probably about 4 hours. So let me just give you my thoughts on the Boxycharm. So the first thing was, the palette, and it's pretty pigmented. The colors go on nice, and these are really nice colors. Like I said before, I feel like I've seen these colors before, so it's nothing like very unique, but it's a really pretty palette, and you can do some really nice looks with it. What I did, I used all of the warmer colors, put this in the crease, and then I put this on the lid and mixed it with a little bit of this one right here. So yeah, it came out really nice. Just more of a warm look. The next thing that I used that I really liked was the brow product. The brow, let me get it over. So the brow product, which was this, looks pretty good. It's really easy to use. Like I said, it's that little brush, and then you kind of just dip the brush into here and brush it into your brows. It's really easy. The color is really nice, and I enjoyed using it, so I'm excited to keep using that one. The Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, I did put it under my eyes. Surprisingly, it was a lot thicker than I had anticipated. It's more like, almost feels like a thicker, creamy consistency. Something almost like the Pores No More, but for under the eye. I think it did smooth it out a little bit. I don't know about depuffing, because like I said, I don't really get puffy under eyes or anything like that, but I'll keep using it. It might help with, you know, the wrinkles and stuff I have around my eyes just from squinting and stuff like that. And then the blush was really pretty. I am wearing it. Just a really nice warm peachy color. So yeah, I enjoyed using that. I'll continue to use it. Like I said, I have one that I stole from my daughter, so I'll give her hers back and continue using mine. Lastly was the Wander Unleashed mascara, and I really liked it. It is not a dramatic lash, but it does separate really well and gives you a little bit of volume and length. It's, like I said, it's more, I'd say more of a natural look, but you can't, let's see if I can do a close-up of my eye. So there's the lashes. And there's the eye look too. Okay, so I think that's everything. Let me know what you guys got in your box and what you liked the best. Also today, my husband and I, we went garage sailing again, and I picked up a couple cool things or things that I thought were cool. There was a stack of Levi 501 jeans, like the old style, and I took a couple and I turned them into cutoffs, and then I also distressed a pair and made them like just some distressed. Let's see if I can show you. So here are those. Just paired them with that, and I rolled them up, and I had some distressing right here. So yeah, I think it looks cute. The shorts. Here's the shorts that I did. They're all black. I have a couple of light colored ones, but those ones didn't fit. These ones did fit, and they're the men's. These ones are 541s, but these ones are the 505s, and these are the 505s, the jeans. So yeah, I got 9 pairs for $3, which I thought was really cool. So yeah, keep a lookout for some Levi's at yard sales and stuff. They are worth money. I looked them up, and they're probably about $30 a pair. So I think I'm gonna sell some on eBay and keep those ones that I have there. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.